Hey everyone, CrimsonMune, and I have with me here the HyperX Quadcast streaming microphone. Normally, this thing is $140, but I found a great deal on it last week on Amazon, $40 off. I got it for $100. Super excited. I immediately snapped it up because this is the microphone that I've been wanting as I've been getting into streaming. Number of reasons why. It's just a really great high quality microphone. It has 4 polar patterns as well as a built-in shock mount. And of course, I'm CrimsonMune. This thing glows crimson red. It's made for me, right? So we're going to do just a quick unboxing video, and probably later I'll do a video about some of its other features and things like that. But let's open it up and let's see what's in the box. I have with me my handy dandy knife that I got for Christmas. Gotta cut the bottom as well. Alright, so the box kind of slides out of this slip here. Maybe we turn it over. Oh, okay. There we go. Alright, so the various cards and things, HyperX, some instructions, all the typical little papers that we won't really pay attention to. It's got the black styrofoam. And then inside, very simple, straightforward, is the mic standing right there. So let's pull this thing out. And there it is. It's just one solid piece. You can see it's maybe about 9 inches tall or so as it stands on this stand. It's a pretty big microphone, though, you know, a lot of these microphones are rather large, actually. And we can, it has a kind of a little knob here to tighten or loosen, and you can angle it. And basically, depending on which polar pattern you're going with, which you want to choose based on what type of stream you're doing, what kind of audio you're trying to get. That'll depend on how you want to angle this thing. But having the built-in shock mount is great because it means that you can actually set this thing, you know, right on the table that you're streaming from. You might kind of bounce it around a bit or something as you're gaming or otherwise tapping the desk. But the shock mount will stabilize the microphone and just get you better audio that is more consistent and clear. And then the only other thing in here is the USB line that you just plug right into the microphone. Looks like the port for it is right here in the back. I don't know if you can see that, but kind of in the back of the microphone. And then you just plug that right into your computer, and it's just a plug-and-play type of device. Looks like we also have a knob that you can dismount the microphone from this stand right here, and you could put this on it, which would allow you to attach it to like an arm or something like that, which you see a lot of streamers will have an arm attached to their desk, and then they can kind of move it around wherever they want it, get a little bit more mobility on it. Let's pull out this other piece of styrofoam. Yeah, that's it. So box is empty. Very straightforward unboxing, but it's a beautiful, well-made mic, and this will be the last video that I make without the excellent audio of the HyperX Quadcast. So for those of you who have it, I'd love to hear how your experience has been with the HyperX Quadcast so far in the comments section below. And if you like this video and want to see other videos like it, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks, everyone. Bye.